Hello and welcome back to Flybright International. So, are you also a working professional who's been thinking of giving the IELTS exam for quite some time? But every time you have a second thought because of lack of practice and therefore couldn't muster up the courage of doing so? Well, worry not. We here at Flybright International have specially designed a course for your needs. Basically, आप एक वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर हैं जो कि फाइनल मैच खेलने से पहले एक प्रैक्टिस वार्म अप मैच खेलना चाहते हैं. So this course is especially for you. Let's have a look. Now, as far as the duration is concerned, we've kept the duration of the batch between 10 and 15 days, suiting to individual needs. जो इस batch के timings रहेंगे, that is kept at 6 p.m. that is after the office hours of 9 to 5. And जो batch size है, we've kept it between 5 and 8 students. So essentially, हमारा focus हमेशा individual attention पे ही रहता है, and we don't believe in forming big batches. As far as the fee structure is concerned, this batch will cost you rupees 5,000 and the inclusions have 10 full-length mock tests that we will be practicing with us every day, then 5 full-length mock tests which will be analyzed and which will be graded for you on real-time basis. So you can have an experience of giving IELTS without actually having to appear for IELTS, and you will be given the real-time feedback for them. So essentially, after you've given the test, we'll analyze those tests for you, we'll show you your weaknesses and your strengths, and we'll be giving you the best possible feedback to improve on those areas. We'll also be giving you self-study material. So before you appear for your examination, you can always refer to that material to hone up your skills. Also, we have the individual target approach because we've kept the batch size to the minimum to suit your needs. So, all those who are interested can always WhatsApp or call us at our number 7347 468198, or you can also personally visit us at Flybright International, Guru Gobind Singh Bhavan, Sector 15A, Chandigarh. Thank you and have a nice day.